Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today's video is going to be April BOXYCHARM 2020. BOXYCHARM is a $25 monthly subscription that gets 4 to 5 full-size products monthly. So if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about makeup, please don't forget to click the subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any beauty video. The theme for this month of April 2020 is festival vibes. This is it, and then on inside it has the list of the products. The first product I have is Zoeva eyeshadow palette. Everybody who got BOXYCHARM this month of April have different palettes in their box this month. It was like a variety of 10 different eyeshadow palettes by Zoeva eyeshadow palettes, and I'm familiar with Zoeva eyeshadow palette, the Zoeva makeup brand, because it's sold at Ulta, and I saw it and I just stopped by. It didn't really like interest me because there's so many good brands out there, so I just skipped that brand. But it's nice to have it in my BOXYCHARM so I don't have to pay for it with my own money. So this is how the packaging look like, and the palette that I received out of the 10 is Blanc Fusion. This is it. And the packaging like this. And then I'm gonna open it right now. Like this. Then when you open it, it has these beautiful colors. It's all like warm tones colors. The only pop of color we have here is this like neon orange color. It's not neon orange. It's like a mustard yellow right here. And then we have a shimmery shade. I prime my list. So before I get into creating a look with the eyeshadow palette, there are something else in this box, and it is a brush set. So this brush set is by Lavish, so it comes with like a little case right here. And I forgot to tell you that the Zoeva eyeshadow palette retails for $28, and now this Lavish 5-piece brush set retails for $29. So I'm gonna open it right now. I've never heard of this brand. That's what I love about BOXYCHARM. They always introduce new brands to us, which is great. Sometimes you don't want to spend money on a brand that you're not even familiar with. How do you know if the product is good or not? You don't want to waste your money on a particular product. So these are the 5 brushes. The first one is a tempered blending brush, and then the second one is an eyeshadow brush, and then third one is a pencil brush. Fourth is a brow groomer brush, and then lastly is a fine liner brush. So look at the colors on these brushes. They are so pretty, very bright. And for the crease, I'm gonna use, let's see, yeah, this one right here, this light brown shade for the crease. And I'm gonna use the tempered blending brush because I don't have a crease brush in the collection. Wow, it's very creamy as you blend it. A lot. Oops. The brush feels so light. Oh my god. It has no weight to it. It's very light. It's like you're holding air in your hand. Oh my god. So like a lot of brushes are very heavy weighted, but this one is light as a feather. I really like it. The shades on this, the first shade I'm using now, is very pigmented. It's coming out very pigmented, but you definitely gotta keep like blending. Okay, so I'm taking a darker shade, which is gonna be the one next to it right here, just to like darken it up a little bit. Ignore the background. I'm gonna take this yellow color and it's gonna be for the outer corner to my crease. Cause this is not a shimmer shade, it's a matte. 1, 2, 3, 4, all the shimmery shades. And you don't need to spray the brush. The shades are so pigmented. You see, I did not spray the brush whatsoever. It's just so good. Oh god, I hope I don't get copyright. There's music playing in the back. Now I'm taking the shader brush and I'm gonna use this gold shade right here. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna take another one because it's camouflaging with the yellow shade. Like it looks too similar, the color, the shimmer shade. So I'm gonna take something else and let's use this taupey brown shade, late bloomer. It's a shimmer shade because these two look similar when I put it on. It's not coming onto the brush. Okay, so far this Zoeva eyeshadow palette, this one, the matte shades come out very pigmented when you blend it on your crease into your outer corner, but for some reason the shimmer shades, they are not pigmented, they are not showing up on the brush or whatnot. So now I have to spray the brush for the shimmer shades. Okay, much better. Now I'm gonna take this one with the pencil brush. It's like a silver shimmer shade, and I'm gonna put some right here, right on the tear duct. Next we have is Battington Lashes. This is how it is in the packaging, like that, and then we open it. Is Lashes. I am familiar with this brand of lashes because I got it in my previous box, not this year, but I think it was last year. I got one of these pair of lashes. They were okay. I don't really like them. So I'm just gonna like show it to you one more time how it is. And this retails for $31. But I just don't really like it. It's lightweight, but I just don't like the band of it. The band of it is like very flimsy. I like a band that's like a little thick, like the example like House of Lashes. A band are fantastic. They're easy. Their band is like a little thick, but they're easy to apply. This one is very flimsy, so I will not be using that. So let's go on to the next product in this box, which is the Professional Benefit Cosmetic Hydrate Visibly Minimize Professional Hydrate Primer. This is how it is in the box. And then when you open it, it's like this, the Hydrate Primer. This is a new product. This is a so new product. And this is this silky smooth hydrating front instantly moisturize and refresh skin, helps makeup stay put and minimize the look of pores and fine lines. It has the same oil-free, lightweight feel and poreless and pie as the original primer. So, and this retails for $32. So I'm gonna open it right now. It's gonna take a little bit. That's how it is right there. If I need more, oh, yes, I think I need more. So I'm just taking this much, and this thing is smells amazing. It has a fruity scent to it. It's very like, it has like a perfume scent to it, like very fruity perfume scent. Smells like those perfumes that you get that it turns out to comes out like a fruity scent. The last product I have in this box is by Iconic London Illuminator. This is Iconic London Illuminator, and it's a dropper. You see, when I open it up, it's like this. Woo. And a little drop tends to go a long way. Well, yeah. So this Iconic is a concentrated liquid shimmer. You could add it to your foundation, primer, or moisturizer, and this retails for $41. $41 for this. So I'm gonna take just a little drop, just like that. That. And like that. And I usually put some on my nose right here. I don't want a shiny nose today. So instead of me using a highlighter brush, I'm gonna use my finger to like blend it out. And then just blend it. I see how like pigmented it is. You just need like a tiny little drop and just blend it out with your fingers. See? Super pigmented. Look at this. Whew. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this April BOXYCHARM 2020. If you like what I got for this month box, April 2020, please give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you in my next video.